Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to an IBS Home School. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Medium School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class nursery. Our today's topic is ring the greatest number. Dear students, it means that some numbers will be given. We have to use a ring in the greatest one, or we have to use a circle in the greatest one. Okay, dear students, now see. Ring the greatest number. Here 5 questions are given. In each question you will see 3 numbers, and we have to find out the greatest one and use a circle on that number. Okay, dear students, now see how can we determine the greatest number. Dear students, to determine the greatest number, at first we have to know that is among 9 digits which are greatest here, or among 10 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Among this 10 digit, which one is the greatest one? We have to know. Here 0 is less than 1, 1 is less than 2, 2 is less than 3, 3 is less than 4, 4 is less than 5, 5 is less than 6, 6 is less than 7, 7 is less than 8, and 8 is less than 9. It means that 2 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 2, 4 is greater than 3, 5 is greater than 4, 6 is greater than 5, 7 is greater than 6, and then 8 is greater than 7 and 9 is greater than 8. It means 9 is the greatest. Dear students, to determine a number which one is greatest or not, at first we have to check the as all the numbers contains only 2 digits, so we have to check the tens place at first. Okay, now see, indicate the position of the digits. Ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens. Now see, at first we have to check the greatest position or tens position. Here tens position is 5, tens position is 5, tens position is 5. It means that in all the numbers tens position is always same. If the tens position is always same, then we have to check the ones position or ones place or unit place. Now see, in ones place we will get 2, here is 2, and here is 9, here is 9, and here is 6, here is 6. Dear students, among these 3 digits, which one is the greatest one? 2 is the smallest one, then 6 and 9. It means 9 is the greatest here. 9 is the greatest here. So the number containing 9 in one's place is the greatest number. So you can say here 9 is in the second number, it means 59. So this number must be the greatest number. So use a circle here, or use a ring here. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood how to determine the greatest number. Then consider the next question. 3 numbers given here. These 3 numbers are 98, 93, 95. Which one is the greatest? We have to determine. To determine, indicate the position of the digits of each number. Ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens. Dear students, now notice that tens place is 9, tens place is 9, and tens place is 9. It means that in this case also tens place is always same, so we have to compare ones place. Here ones place is 8, so we can indicate here 8. Here ones place is 3, so we can indicate here 3. Here ones place is 5, so indicate 5. Among these 3, 8 is the greatest one. It is the greatest one. Among these 3, 8 is the greatest. So the number containing 8 is in ones place will be the greatest number. It means that the number containing 8 is 98. So 98 is the greatest number. So use a circle on 98. Use a circle or use a ring on 98. Okay, dear students, now see the next question. Question 3. 3 numbers given here. Now to determine the greatest one, at first indicate the position of the digits. Ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens. So we can notice the tens position at first. tens position 7, tens position 7, tens position is 7. It means that in this case also tens position is always same. So we have to compare ones place. So ones place is 7 here. So right here 7, indicate 7 here, and then here ones position is 1, here is 1, and here is 6, here is 6. Dear students, among these three, 1, 6 and 7, 7 is the greatest one. 7 is the greatest one. So the number containing 7 is in ones place is the greatest one. Which one contains 7 in ones place? 7 to 7. So 7 is in ones place here. So this is the greatest number. So use a circle on it or use a ring on it. Okay, dear students, now go to the next question. What is the next question? Three numbers are given, 64, 68 and 67. We have to determine the greatest one and use a circle. To determine this, we have to indicate ones place and tens place in all the numbers, ones, tens. Notice here tens place is 6, tens place 6, tens place is 6. It means that in this case also tens place is always same. So we have to compare ones place. To compare ones place, we can see the number. First one, ones place is 4, so here is 4. And second one, ones place is 8, here is 8. In the third one, ones place is 7 here, here is 7. Among these three digits, 8 is the greatest one. 8 is the greatest one. This one, 8. So we can say the number containing 8 in ones place is the greatest number. Which number contain 8 in ones place? 64, 68, 67. Here 8 is in ones place. So the number containing 8 in ones place is 68, and this is the greatest number. So this is our required answer for this question. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood this one. Now go to the next question. What is the next question? Next question is 5, 85, 82 and 88. These three numbers are given. We have to determine the greatest one. To determine the greatest one, we have to compare ones place and tens place. At first we have to compare tens place. Dear students, here tens place is 8, 8 and 8. It means that in all the numbers tens place is always same. So we have to compare now ones place. To compare the ones place, now see. Here in the first one, ones place is 5. In the second one, ones place is 2. Ones place is 2. Now in third one, ones place is 8. Ones place is 8. It means that 8 is the greatest digit. It means that the number containing 8 in ones place will be the greatest number. Okay, dear students, now see. Here is 5 in ones place, 2 is in ones place, 8 is in ones place. So the number containing 8 is in ones place is the greatest number. Okay, dear students, so 88 is the greatest one. So use a circle or use a ring on this number. Okay, dear students, I hope this is our required answer and you have understood our today's lecture. Dear students, you know that homework is very, very important for your annual examination, but the homework is not given here. We are not giving homework now, but you need to remember that those who are missing the homework, it means that those who missed the previous homework, submit your previous homework. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe, see you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.